channel, so I know, like I said, this channel is going to be a bit of everything. So I've been holding off on the hair videos because this wig was taking forever. It was taking forever to come. So it finally got here today, and I did this. This is my first time like actually like trying to go all out with the little edges and the frontal. Like, I really put my all into this. Thought it was gonna be a fail. I was about to like literally give the wig away. I just kept going, and eventually, I mean, it came out looking kind of correct. So if you want to see how I did that, stay tuned. Disclaimer, this is not a tutorial, please. Like I say throughout the whole video, this is just my hands ashy because I was doing a lot with this. Yeah, this is not a tutorial. This is just me showing you what I did. Hopefully you can take something from it, but for you to like follow it step by step, that's not what I want, because it was trial and error. So it's just me documenting. All right, so I just got home. I'm not even gonna try to pretend to be cute for y'all right now. Y'all already know how it is. My hair ain't been done in weeks. I don't have time to pretend. So we're gonna get straight into it. My hair just came. The hair is from Cranberry hair. I already opened it. Girl, first of all, we just finished spraying down the bag with some disinfectant spray, because baby, I never played with the corona. Let me show you guys the hair. This is what you guys are here for. I got 22 inches. I put it on and I looked like a young Michael Jackson, so I was not feeling that. I brushed it out a little bit. It's pretty soft. It's all right. I did notice when I first like took it out the package, even when I just went like that, like, see, like, baby, no, baby, no. That's, I'm not feeling that vibe. I don't know. We're gonna see. This video is not sponsored, so this is gonna be an honest review. I got the, I'm gonna leave the link in the description to the hair. I know it's Deep Wave, I believe. And it's just, 22 inches. It's 150 density, and it's a 13x4 lace frontal. But yeah, baby, this lace is not it, so we're gonna this is gonna be a long process. I hope I can fit it into less than 15 minutes. All right, so here I'm going to be bleaching the knots. I'm taking my 30 volume developer. That's the one I prefer to use because it's not as strong. And then I take bleach from the beauty supply store, and I mix it all together. Very cheap. Then I just get this bowl and the brush, and this is what I use to mix it. Right, so here I'm just mixing it. When you're mixing, though, you got to be careful. You want to mix it to where it's like, I don't even know, like the consistency of toothpaste. When you lift up the mix, the bleach, when it's done, it shouldn't run off the brush. It should kind of be stuck and take like slow to come down, kind of pasty, you know? So here you can see I finally got it to that like creamy texture. It was a little runny, but it still did okay for the most part. Okay, so this is how I bleach mine. I take the hair off the wig. I take the wig off the head, and I flip it inside out, but kind of like perfectly in the middle, if you can understand. Then I put it back on the head. Try to get it as flat as you possibly can, because you don't want no ruffles in there and bleach in between the creases and stuff like that. Just try to get it as flat as you can. Also, another thing, when you begin to apply the bleach to the frontal, make sure not to press down in it too hard, because when you do that, the bleach will seep through the little holes and you'll end up with blonde or however light roots. And a part of some of my hair ended up with the blonde roots, so just try to avoid that. Now you just leave it on there, keep an eye on it, and wait. I'm going in with my toning shampoo. You can use any shampoo, but just make sure you use some so that you can get all of the bleach out. As you can see right here, I kind of over bleached it. Some of the roots were brown, but that's okay. You can't really notice it. I was gonna bleach the roots again, but with frontals, like, you don't really want to be putting all that processing on there, because that might cause it to, you know, bald earlier. So I just said forget it, it's good enough for me. Excuse me, I'm looking all kinds of crazy and all kinds of unloved, unneeded. The wig is drying. I'm going to be doing the bald cap method. I can't even believe I'm going to show you guys this, but it's about to get real ghetto. I'm sorry that you guys had to see this. Oh my God. You just spray around there. Wait, how does this dry? Wait. Oh my God, let me take off the glasses. I was supposed to cut a hole for the ears. Oh, I think I almost just, ooh.
Okay.
Fumes is killing me. The fumes from the spray are quite high today. I don't know why. It's never. What is this supposed to cut? Like, this doesn't even. You're supposed to blow dry it. We all make mistakes. I'm human. Looking crazy. Would you talk to me if I look like this? I fixed it. I'm looking old. I think I'm gonna put some foundation over it.
Alright, so here I'm putting down the hair to get ready to pluck it. I couldn't find my T-pins, so I'm just using regular pins that you can find probably in any sewing kit. So now I'm wetting the hair. I found that it's better to pluck when the hair is wet. I'm not sure why, but it is. So when you're plucking, you want to do it towards yourself. If you see what I'm doing, like it's plucking towards me. Don't stay in the same spot for long. Keep moving. Like move from space to space, because if you stay in the same spot for too long, ma'am, it's gonna be bald. I've done that before. Had a couple bald spots. That's not what you're looking for. So you see how I'm moving up and down constantly? Yeah, that's what you want to do. Alright, so here that side was done. I don't know if y'all see a difference, but I see a difference. It looks way better.
So it's done. It's been done being plucked. Don't pay too much attention to the cap underneath. That's not what we're here for. It's turning out better than what I thought. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it first. I just pinned this up. Like I said, ignore that, please. That little Bob Builder helmet. It's gonna be fixed. As you can see, yeah, it's plucked. Oh, let me bring it down so you can see it a little bit better. I'm gonna put some edges there. It's not the best, but like I said, you know, we're working with what we get. I'll take my glasses off for this part because I can't see. Alright. Yeah, I gotta fix this. This is like way too far.
Yes, I know the cap looks crazy. Trial and error.
The other side is like ridiculous. Like I said, this is not a tutorial. This is a maybe. So I'm gonna get the scissor now and I'm gonna cut it. Okay. I'm gonna cut the ears off camera because I need to really see what I'm doing. All right, so I went ahead and cut the lace off camera. It's not looking too bad. Over here is crazy, but nobody's gonna see that part, so I'm not too worried about that right now. All right, so now it's kind of looking like something I would be okay with. You're gonna need a blow dry for this part, preferably. Squeeze. I'm squeezing some gel in there.
Two things. Yes, I am mixing with a fork. And the things that I'm mixing are the freeze spray and the gel. I sprayed some freeze spray onto the gel and I'm mixing it so it can get tacky. Alright, so here I'm putting the tacky paste onto my skin. It's fine to go on your skin, it's not glue. Then I'll blow dry that with the blow dryer, allow it to get a little bit more tacky. Then once I have that, I'll put the lace on top of it, then blow dry that again and press down with my hands. Now I'm just doing it to the other side. I didn't stick down the sides because I was just trying it out. So yeah. And I'm having a hard time adding this music in. So enjoy this beautiful music. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 ah ah do do ah do do ah ah do do. Hold on. That gonna sound good.
I'm only cutting the strips. I don't know what's really going on here. I wish I could tell you what this is. Oh, let me back up. Okay, so that is it. That is off of the hair. As you can see, I tried to do some edges right there. Nothing too crazy. Overall, it's cool. It's calm. I just wet it again so it could get some more of that, you know, deep wave. Ignore this, like I said. I don't really care about that. I'm going to cut that out, like, of my scalp when I'm done. But this is the finished look. I'm so tired. I've been doing this ever since I got home at 5. It's 8 o'clock. So, but it's done. And it's the final look. Yeah. The little edges going on. I didn't really bleach the knots fully like how I wanted to. But it's decent. It's cool. If you like what you saw, don't forget to comment. What? If you like anything about this video, give it a thumbs up. This is just me trying, you know, a new style, a new method, and it kind of came out okay, so I'm not too mad at it. Expect more content coming in the future. Turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified when I upload and all that good tea. Don't forget to comment. Let me know down below what you think about it. Are you feeling it? Are you not feeling it? Be honest. 100% when I ask for an opinion, I really want to know. Well, tell me what y'all think in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching.